We're on Shabbat, Perek Yud Zayin, Mishnah Vav, 6th Mishnah, the 17th chapter of Shabbat. So we're going to continue talking about the laws of muktzeh, and we're going to talk about what's called an even. Our even is a rock. So a rock, in our list of different types of muktzeh, we've had klisha malachto leheter, like a cup or a bottle, klisha malachto leisur, like a pair of headphones, muktzeh machmar chisaro kis, meaning it's expensive, like some cell phones, probably not this one. And then finally, what's called muktzeh mamash. Muktzeh mamash, like things that have no use whatsoever on Shabbat. They're out of your mind. They're not part of your attention. They're not part of your attention to use. Rocks, sticks, trees. So the Mishnah says, what happens if I have an even shebekeruya? What's a keruya? The Bartuner says, it's a delat yevesha, a dried gourd, umimalim b'mayim, and they used it to fill up water, to fill water from the well. They would, stick the thing down and they would use it to fill up the water. But umitochi kala, since it's lightweight, eina sho'evet el etzafa, it doesn't draw water. Rather, it floats on the top of the water. So first of all, it's interesting to note they didn't have buckets. They didn't have anything. They would use whatever they could in order to draw water. So they had this gourd. So then they would put a stone in order to make it heavy. So now you have a problem because this stone, rocks are muktzeh. So is the rock in the gourd bucket, is that muktzeh or not? So says the Mishnah, if you can fill water with it, and the rock doesn't fall out, i.e., if the rock is haduka yafeh, bipi hakiruya, you stuck it well, it's well attached to the kiruya, to the gourd bucket, then memalimba, then you can use it. Ve'im and if not, ein memalimba, then you can't use it. Meaning, if the rock can fall out, then ein memalimba. Why? And you can't even use the gourd bucket itself. Why? Im lav, says the Mishnah, harei kishar avanim. It's like any other rock. Ve'ein metal telina takiruya. You can't even move the kiruya, the gourd bucket. Shenaasit basis le'even shenos ata. It becomes a basis, a base. And this is bringing in another halacha that a basis, a davar asur, a base, something that's supporting, something that's muktzeh, becomes muktzeh itself. And that's why, you can't even use the gourd itself. You can't shake out the rock. The gourd bucket has become a base, and therefore it's asur. Similarly, zmora, let's say I have a piece of vine. Shikshura betafiach is connected to a tafiach. Tafiach is a pach katan. A small pach is like a bucket or whatever. Sheshavrim bo mayim mina, use it to draw water or ma'ayan, or from the well. Okay. Now this bucket is attached to a piece not of rope, but it's attached to a piece of zmara, vine. So if it's shikshura betafiach, it's connected to this bucket, then mimalin ba b'Shabbat. Okay. Then I can use it to fill water on Shabbat. Why? The Bartuner says dishavya lach zmara kli, because now the vine isn't just a vine; it's not a piece of string outside that's muktzeh. It makes the zumara, the vine, into a kli, into a utensil like a piece of rope that's mutar on Shabbat. We'll stop here. As always, comments or questions, you can email me, and we'll dedicate our learning to memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.